In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change a contact name on your iPhone. It's important to keep your contacts organized and up to date, especially if you have a lot of them. Changing a contact name is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the phone app on your iPhone and then tap on the Contacts button at the bottom center of the screen. After that, tap and select the contact that you want to change the name of. And then tap the Edit button at the top right. Now what you want to do next is get rid of their current name. And then enter their new name. Once you've done that, tap Done at the top right corner of the screen to save changes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.